Apple's iPhone X introduced a whole lot of change to the iPhone lineup, but nowhere was the change bigger than with the sensors and cameras on the front of the device. Apple ditched the fingerprint sensor to bring forth Face ID, and seemingly the entire industry followed into a face scanning future. Of course, the amount of sensors on the front of the iPhone X and every iPhone released after allow for more than just facial scanning. Animoji was one of the ways Apple used the tech in a fun, creative fashion, giving users the ability to record videos of themselves as a virtual avatar. Creating an Animoji effectively records a video clip, which might have you wondering, can I also use those with TikTok? While Animoji doesn't work natively with TikTok, it's still possible to export your Animoji video for the hit social network. Here's how to do it. We'll have to start by exporting an Animoji recording to your camera roll. If you've already sent an Animoji in Messages, you're well on your way to uploading to TikTok. Just click on your Animoji video, tap the share icon, then hit Save Video. If you haven't recorded an Animoji video yet, you'll need to record it first within Messages, then send it to a friend to load the export button. It's an unfortunate limitation of the app, but if you're making something for TikTok, there's a good chance you have a friend who follows you on the platform anyway. Once you've exported and saved your Animoji recording, all you need to do is upload it to TikTok. Open the app on your iPhone, then select the Creation tab along the bottom menu row and hit Upload next to the shutter button. Select your saved Animoji video, then hit Next in the top right corner. Adjust your playback, then hit Next again to add sounds, effects, text, and stickers. When you're finished editing your video, head to the Post options to upload your Animoji video on TikTok. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering TikTok and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.